Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will learn Bootstrap display utilities. If you have already watched my CSS course, then you already know the display property. So in this video, we will focus on how Bootstrap lets us control the display of element using simple utility classes. First, understand what are display utilities. Bootstrap provides ready-made display classes. Instead of writing CSS, we simply add Bootstrap classes to our HTML elements. Some commonly used display utilities are d-none, d-block, d-inline, d-inline-block, d-flame, and d-grid. Now let's understand what each one does. First, understand d-none. The d-none class completely hides an element. The element is still in the HTML, but it won't be visible on the page. Next, d-block. The d-block class displays an element as a block element. It takes the full available width and start a new line. D-inline class display element in the same line. Takes required width only, no width and height. D-inline block is display in same line, supports width and height, better layout control. D-flex creates flex container, align child element, easy responsive layout. The grid creates grid container, organize items in rows and columns useful for modern layout. Now let's see all of these classes in one VS Code. Here I'm creating div, giving it class name container. Inside this container, here I'm adding margin top 5. Inside this container, I'm adding heading, giving it class name text center, margin bottom 4. Writing here text display utilities. Now I am adding here div, giving it class name border padding 3. Inside this div I am creating box 1, giving it class name bg primary, text white. Inside here padding 3, margin 2. Inside div I am writing here box 1. Copy this box and paste 2 times, 1 and 2. Here change 2 and box 3. Now I'm changing here BG danger. Here I'm changing success. Save, open with live server. Hide the box 2. Here I'm writing D none. Save and refresh browser. See output. The D none class completely hides the element. Add D block to box 1. Here I am writing D block. Save and see output. The dBlock class display the element as a block element. Now change all three boxes d-inline. Copy this and paste here. Save and see changes. Now all the boxes appear on the same line. Replace d-inline with d-inline-block. Here I am writing block. Copy this text, paste here. Save and see output. Refresh the browser. It looks similar to d-inline, but now control width and height. Add width here. Style. Width is 180 pixels. Now save and see the difference. Now remove all display classes from the boxes. Apply deflex to the parent. Deflex. Now save and see output. Now the parent become a flexbox container and all child elements are arranged in one row. Replace deflex with degrid. Grid gap 3. Save, see output. Now the parent become a grid container. This is a real-world example with just one class, deflex. We have arranged all three boxes in clean horizontal layout. Finally, I will replace it with dgrid. Now the container behave like a grid layout. With just few Bootstrap classes, we completely change the layout without writing any custom CSS. That's the power of Bootstrap display utilities. These utilities classes help us control the display of element quickly and make layout building much easier. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Practice these classes yourself to understand how each one